In-T Hotel Lobby, day. A polished front desk shines under warm lighting. Sarah, mid-20s, steps up to the reception, rolling her suitcase. Lisa, the receptionist, early 30s, greets her with a smile.
Good afternoon. Welcome to the Grand Oak Hotel. How can I help you today?
Hi, I have a reservation. The name's Sarah Jennings.
Wonderful, Ms. Jennings. May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Sure, do you need anything else?
That's all I need, thank you. Let's see. Yes, I have you in a queen room for 3 nights. Is that correct?
That's right. Does the room have a desk? I need to get some work done.
Yes, all our rooms have a desk and free Wi-Fi. Would you like a wake-up call in the mornings?
That would be perfect. Can you set one for 7 a.m.?
Absolutely. And just so you know, breakfast is served from 6 to 10 in the Oak Room on the first floor.
John, late 20s, another guest, steps up behind Sarah, glancing at his watch.
You're all set. Here's your room key. Room 412, 4th floor. If you need help with your luggage, just let us know.
Thanks. Oh, one more thing. Do you have a gym?
Yes, the gym's open 24 hours. It's on the 2nd floor, just past the elevators.
Great, thank you.
Sarah moves off.
Hi. I've got a reservation under Jonathan Hughes, but I think there might be a problem.
I'm happy to help. What seems to be the issue?
My confirmation email says non-smoking room, but last time I stayed, they gave me a smoking room by mistake.
I apologize for that. Let me make sure you're in a non-smoking room this time. Yes, you're booked for a non-smoking king room, Mr. Hughes.
Good, thanks. And is parking included?
We have complimentary parking in the garage behind the hotel. Just show your room key when you enter or leave.
David, mid-30s, another guest, approaches, looking a bit annoyed.
Excuse me, could I ask something?
Of course, sir. I'll be with you in just a second. Here's your key. Room 318. Enjoy your stay.
Cheers.
John leaves.
So, my room's nice and all, but the air conditioner's making a weird noise. It kept me up last night.
Oh no, I'm really sorry you had trouble sleeping. Would you like us to send maintenance up, or would you prefer to move rooms?
If possible, I'd rather change rooms. I can't deal with another night of it.
We have another room available on the same floor. I can assign you to room 326 right away.
That'd be great.
Here's your new key. If you'd like help moving your things, I can send someone up right away.
That's okay, thank you. And hey, one more thing. How late does room service deliver?
Room service is available until midnight. You'll find the menu in your room, or you can call the front desk for recommendations.
Perfect. I missed dinner. Thanks for your help.
You're welcome, Mr. Green. Sorry again about the inconvenience.
At that moment, Sarah returns, looking pleased.
Sorry to interrupt. Do you know if there's a laundry service? I spilled coffee on my shirt already.
Not a problem. We have same-day laundry service if you drop your clothes off before 10 a.m. Otherwise, you'll get them back the next day.
That's a lifesaver. Thank you.
The hotel's concierge, Mrs. Hall, 50s, leans over from her nearby desk. Excuse me, Lisa. A guest is looking for ideas for something fun tonight.
Actually, I wouldn't mind a suggestion myself.
You're in luck. Mrs. Hall knows the best places in town.
Are you interested in live music, theatre, or maybe some local restaurants?
Maybe live music? Somewhere casual.
There's a jazz club just a 10-minute walk. They have a student night tonight, so it should be lively and affordable.
That sounds perfect, thank you.
Thanks for sorting things out, Lisa.
My pleasure. If anyone needs anything else, we're here 24/7.
Guests smile as they disperse, the lobby buzzing as arrivals and questions keep rolling in. Fade out.